Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. Today, we are going to discuss what is Azure tutorial. So today's topic is what is CloudTrail. So AWS CloudTrail is a service that enables governance, compiles, and operation auditing by recording AWS account activities. It logs API calls, actions taken through AWS Management Console, SDKs, and CLIs, helping users to monitor changes, detect unusual activities, and ensure security by maintaining a history of account event for analysis. So basically, when you're talking about CloudTree, it's like a CCTV. So it is a service that records and log activities in AWS account. And it is mainly used for monitor, audit, and ensure compliance with AWS. So imagine if anything happens to that entire service inside that account, what will happen is that with the help of this CloudTree, you can easily monitor and you can easily rectify the changes or you can easily find the rectifications of the errors and everything. So that's why a monitor it's also used as a cloud tree. So that's why I'm calling as a CCTV. For example, CCTV means it will observe everything. So like that way, a CCTV that means a cloud tree is also a monitor everything. So that's why it is called as a CCTV. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'll connect a cloud tree with the help of S3 bucket. And what happens is that they'll event all the notification or event all the observations and everything. So let's move on to demo section. So you'll get a more clarification. So I'll search for the cloud trail. So I'll search cloud trail. So you can see cloud trail over here. So I'll click on cloud trail. So when you click on cloud trail, you can see an option called create a trail option, right? So we have to create a trail and inside that we have to attach this S3 bucket and everything. So before that, we'll click a trail and you can see they ask you for the trail name. So I'm giving as management events or any random name or anything. Okay, it's up to you. So I'll click on create trail. So when you click on create trail, what happens is that a new trail will be created over here. Okay. So after that, what I'm going to do is you can see right now the multiple regions, yes, insights is disabled and everything it is showing. Okay. So right now I've not done anything. I've just created a cloud trail itself. So when you click on management events, you can see an option called edit options will be given. Okay. So just wait. So you can see that is management events page over here. Okay. So right now the trail login is login already. Okay. Right now you can see edit option. Why? Because I need to attach a particular S3 bucket. Okay. So for that. So when you click on S3, you can see, sorry, when you click on edit, you can see create a new S3 bucket is there. Create a new existing S3 bucket is there. So I've already created a existing bucket. So inside this, there is nothing. So if you want to upload some of the object means you can easily upload the objects and everything. Okay. So right now I'm not uploading anything. So I'll go down and you can see they're asking for the particular bucket name. So this is the default name. So I'll change into, so that's why I'm just clicking towards the browser. So when you click towards the browser, you can see S3 Cloud Trail, right? So I'll click on S3 Cloud Trail and choose option. So after that, when you go down, they're asking for the particular KMS. So you know already KMS, that is key management system. That is for ensuring that it is whether it is protected or not. Okay. So I'll ensure whether it is protected. So I'll click on enable. So either you can use a new existing one or a existing one also. So right now I'm going to use a new KMS key. Why? Because I don't have an existing one. That's why. So I'll use Cloud Trail KMS. Okay. So after using CloudTrail KMS and everything, I'll click towards the Save Change. So right now you can see a cloud trail has been created and you can see, okay, the alias of the name, okay, it is already existing they're telling. Okay, fine. So I'll give name as 2 also. Okay, so I'll click on Save Change. We'll try whether it's working or not. So you can see I've connected that particular KMS, no, sorry, I've connected that particular S3 inside the cloud trail and everything. To check whether it's connected or not, when you go back to the S3 and when you try to refresh, you can see a particular activity logs and everything will be created inside this bucket. So you can see AWS logs and everything. So when you're talking about AWS log and everything, so AWS log validation is that the CloudTrail file's integrity validation also let us you to know that log file has been deleted or changed. So if there is any changes on anything means with help of AWS log, you can easily analyze whether it is working properly or whether it is deleted or anything or whether it is changed or anything with help of AWS log, you can easily analyze it. And also you can see number of options like management events, data events, insights events, and everything. So when you're talking about management events that provides information about the management operation that has performed or these are also known as control plane operation. So for example, who are accessing to the AWS account. So it means whether they're changing the configuration of such as route table, security group, or etc. But when you're talking about the data events that provides information about the resources operation, it is performed on or inside the resources. So these are also known as the data plane operation, such as example S3 bucket operation, Lambda, EBS, or etc. But when you're talking about insights events, for example, if you have any insights events and a cloud tree detected unusual activity, insights events are logged to a different folder or a prefix to the destination S3 bucket for your tree. So if you see any undetected or undetected any errors or anything means with the help of insights events, you can easily rectify whether it's what are the things it's happening or not. So that's why I told you a cloud trail is a basically like a CCTV, so which observes or which monitors everything. So that's why it is also called as a monitoring tool. So if you like our channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more information, please contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.